Welcome to Eat, Pray, Plan. I'm Rebecca. I'm a wife, a homeschool mom to two adventurous boys, and I plan our lives one sticker at a time. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks that have helped me plan a happy life in hopes that they can help you too. So if you want to see how I do that, come plan with me. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I am so happy that you're here. I want to share with you in this video how I keep decorative planning simple and easy. I know that there's people out there who don't like stickers because they feel that it is too complicated to use them in your planner. I have been using stickers for a little bit over 2 years, and yes, it is time consuming, but if you like stickers and you use it as a creative outlet, I'm going to share with you a few ways in which I keep decorative planning simple and easy. And if at the end of this video you want to try using a few stickers in your planner, please tag me if you post them on Instagram. I would love to see. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing that I do in order to keep decorative planning to a simple, minimal planning system is I have a small sticker collection. Yes, I know that this seems like a lot. I have here some of my favorite books. So my sticker books are by the Happy Planner. That's I discovered the Happy Planner a few years ago when I was scrolling on YouTube, and I stumbled upon a few videos of people using these sticker books to decorate their planner, and I was hooked. So my number one brand for stickers for my planner is the Happy Planner, and I want to share with you how keeping a small collection of these sticker books has helped me in my planning system. So I have a few, and what I have put aside here my favorite ones. So it's flowers, it's the wellness sticker pack, the Be Happy box, Happy Planner and Teresa Collins collab, modern farmhouse, wild style, botanicals, detailed florals, fun florals, homebody, and dream seeker. Now, I used to have a very large sticker collection. So when I first started, I thought that I needed all the stickers out there, and I actually would go out and I would hunt for the last sticker books release, and I would have them all. But I quickly realized a few things. First, that I would get overwhelmed if I had too many stickers in front of me. And two, that it wasn't my style necessarily, the sticker book that I bought. And I quickly started just kind of like figuring out what my style of planning was and what sticker books I liked. So that leads me into my next thing that I wanted to share with you. And it is that I have discovered that I have a certain color scheme. So that keeps decorative planning simple and easy because I tend to gravitate towards the same colors for my planner. So I'm gonna share with you a few of my spreads from previous years and from this year, and you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. So this is my Happy Planner that I started off at the beginning of this year, and I will share with you the sticker books that I use, and you will see that they are the ones that I just mentioned right here. And you will see that there is a color scheme when it comes to the stickers that I use. So here, let's start with the January monthly. This sticker book is a mix between botanicals and the Teresa Collins. And this to me is my favorite color scheme to use, which is pink, it's gray, it's black, and it's moms. So if there's a sticker book that has these colors, I am all for it. Here you can see the same color scheme, and same thing here, although this has a few blue, like teals and greens and blues, which I tend to use, but it won't be my first choice. This to me is perfect. I love these colors. So it's a lot of muted, neutral colors that I like to use. So once I discovered that I had a color scheme, I just stuck with those sticker books. I do throw in from time to time a little pop of color, but it's pink and yellows, and yeah, so that really helped me keep the decorative to a minimal, simple style. So once I realized that I had a color scheme, I just bought and kept those sticker books. So I'm gonna share with you here also, this is where I keep the pages that I've already used in my current planner. And you can see here that even though I have used the same stickers for a while now, the same sticker books, it definitely has a different feel just because of the way that I use the stickers. I place them in different sections of the page. I change around my layouts, and I combine them. So you can definitely make the same sticker books work and not have them look always the same. This is, I think this is my favorite. I think this color scheme is definitely my favorite. If I could have a sticker book with the color schemes of this book, which is Dream Seeker, oh my goodness, I would love it. I would love to have another Dream Seeker. So see, you can see that from time to time I do throw in different colors, which makes it fun, but I quickly realized that it really isn't my style. And yeah, so this is my current planner. And here you see that even though I have gravitated more towards a very minimal style, in my opinion, because if you have been here for a while, you know that I used to use way more stickers. So I do think that my style is minimal, even though I do use stickers. But so see here, for example, I try to think outside the box and have fun with the stickers. And from time to time, you'll see me try something totally different, but I don't know, there was something about this spread that threw me off, and I think it was the green and the fact that it had no pink. So again, even though I like to try new things, I always come back to what I love, and it's using pinks and pastel colors like that. Okay, so let's see, what else? What else can I share with you about my stickering process when it comes to planning? I spoke to you about a color scheme. Oh yes, so I've also figured out a happy medium between decorative stickers, so full on flowers, where's my floral book? Full on flowers, and then mixing it up with some functional stickers. So for example, this sticker book, which is one that I always use, and I use it for a few reasons. I use it because of the color scheme, but I use it also because it is a very functional book. Like, there's no decorations here. It is all labels, little activity stickers like these, and very functional stickers, and I tend to combine them with any of the floral books, because these floral books, as you can see, are very, very decorative. So yeah, I just feel that figuring out a way that you can be creative and decorate your planner, but at the same time be able to write down your plans and be functional, it is key to being able to decorate and keep your decorative planning system and style simple and easy. Okay, so last but not least, fun. We need to have fun. I always have fun when I'm decorating my planner. It's a time that I like to just close the door in the office, sit down by myself, put some music on, and just be creative, or film a video with you guys for you guys and just talk to you about my process. So whether you are a decorative planner, a functional planner, any type of style of planning that you choose and that is you, the number one thing is that you need to have fun and that you need to make sure that the way that you're planning is serving you, and that you're being able, that you're productive, and that you're crossing those things out, and that you're, jotting down those memories and just making it yours. Okay, so this is it. These are the things that I wanted to share with you, my thoughts on how to keep decorative planning simple and easy. I hope this was helpful. I hoped I might have inspired you a little bit to use a few stickers here and there. That stickers should not be scary or overwhelming if you find a system that works for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications, because I do share videos over the weekend. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.